Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 caps lock indicator not showing. It's a very simple to fix. You have to first press in your keyboard Windows plus I. It will going to open your settings. Then you can simply come over into accessibility. Then you can simply scroll down a little bit and here is your keyboard. After that, if you just simply click on your on-screen keyboard and press your caps, as you can see that whenever you press your caps lock, it's working. Okay, but it's not giving you any indications. Okay, so it's not a built-in option to show you any indications. If you come up with a Dell laptop and Lenovo laptop or Asus laptop, then you might see the indications. But if you want the indications in your computer, in your desktop, then what you can do first, you can simply come over into your web browser and then search for try status. Then click on try status download and simply download installer now. After completed download, you have to install it and then come over into your show hidden icons, and here as I downloaded trace status over here. So whenever I press the caps, you can see the caps is on and the A looking capital letter, you can simply see. And when I just press it caps lock off, you can see that I'm getting an indicator. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.